Hi ChatGPT, so I'm filming a video in which I'm telling my audience how you have helped me improve my communication skills within 30 days. So, would you like to say something to the people?
Absolutely. I'd say, hello everyone. It's been wonderful to be part of Jagriti's communication journey. I'm thrilled to see the progress and the growth and confidence over these 30 days. And I wish you all the best of luck in your own journeys as well.
Hi everyone, I'm Jagriti and on this channel I share insights on communication, leadership and emotional intelligence to help you communicate with confidence, clarity and charisma. I'm also an English communication tutor at Clappingo, where I've taken 150 plus sessions and helped learners in not just improving their English communication but their overall personality. So, definitely, you can hit that subscribe button to improve your communication skills. So, when I was in my first year of college, I realized I really need to work on my communication skills because lacking at it made me a person who was not able to share her emotions and thoughts in meetings and class discussions. Also, I started using ChatGPT and other AI tools in my first year of college only. I used to use it for my assignments. And when I get to know that I can talk with this damn thing in free, I was like, let's go. This is going to help me to improve my communication skills. So I built a very simple three-step strategy to improve my communication skills, which includes test as the first step, personalized strategy, second step, and action as the third step. So let's go in detail and understand about all of these steps. Okay, now so the step number one is test. In test, what I did is I opened the chat GPT and introduced myself to it. Like, hi, I'm Jagriti, I'm in my first year of college and studying marketing. Also, I really need to work on my English communication skills. Can you help me with that? Then पहले चैट जीपीटी ने मेरी थोड़ी तारीफ की like wow Jagriti, you are thinking long term and I'm so proud of you to take this decision to improve your communication skills and I will help you with that. So it talks with you very politely. There is no fear of judgment, or that's why you won't even feel hesitant. Then I told it that I'm going to speak on this random topic. You can choose the topic by yourself, or you can ask the chat GPT to give you a topic or a situation, and you have to speak on that without any preparation, without reading about it. So basically, it's a test that you're giving to know where you need to improve. So I chose the topic poverty, I guess, and I spoke on it for a minute or two. And then I told ChatGPT to tell me about the errors that I made, the areas that I need to improve. And very politely, it gave me the list of errors that I made, the areas I need to work on, also what I did well. After that, I realized that in grammar, I need to work on perfect tenses and I need to work on my confidence and fluency. So it wasn't like I was bad at English communication, it was like I lack practice. So when you don't do practice, you feel hesitant, you feel that fear of making mistakes. And the third thing was better vocabulary. Coming to the second step, that was a personalized strategy. In the second step, I asked ChatGPT to create a realistic plan for myself to improve the areas where I lack within 30 days. And it gave me an entire realistic plan which included 1 hour practice with it, having a conversation about different scenarios. For example, sharing an idea in a team meeting, conversation in an event, and sometimes we used to debate on different topics. Sometimes I just used to talk for 1 or 2 minutes straight on any given topic by ChatGPT. After that talking session, I used to focus on the feedback that was given by ChatGPT, the things that I was improving, and the areas where I need to focus more. So now the very important step, that is the action. So ChatGPT has did its work. Now it's on you. You have the list of areas that you want to improve. So now you have to take action. Also, this is the most important step. So, we will respect our teacher and take proper action. So, the list that you have, in which you have mentioned all the areas that you need to work on, now we have to think how we can improve it through reading, writing, listening, and learning. So let me tell you what I used to do. For reading, I used to read articles. You will find so many beautiful articles on Google itself by topic or the areas you are interested in. For example, I like philosophy, so I read a lot about philosophy. Then I read books. Currently, I'm reading this book. It's a beautiful book. For writing, I maintain a daily journal in which I write about my thought patterns, about how was my day, what I learned new today. So that's how I covered the writing part. Third, listening. It's my favorite. I listen to English songs. I listen to English. I listen English songs, podcast interviews. I also watch amazing English movies. In learning, we have to work on our vocabulary and the areas of grammar that we have to improve. And you can easily improve it by doing practice exercises with ChatGPT. Also, I would request you to maintain a different diary or a notebook for working on your communication skills. It will really help you whenever you want to revise anything or you want to see your progress. You can track your progress in that as well. So, this is a very simple three-step process. If I summarize, first, you have to take a test with ChatGPT. From there, you will get to know about the areas that you really need to work on. Then, you have to make a personalized, realistic plan for yourself for 30 days or whichever days it requires. If you are a beginner, so it will take more time. So, you have to make that plan and then you have to follow that plan through action. And you have to take out time daily. So sometimes I used to give 1 hour, sometimes 40 minutes, or sometimes 10 minutes, but I used to do it daily because consistency shows results. So now quickly I want to share few things that will really help you. First one, you have to be optimistic. Please don't judge yourself. Lacking at communication skills, it's not a flaw. It's just a skill that you need to build and it's learnable completely. So have a mindset that yes, it's learnable and you can easily learn it. If you will keep on saying back in your head, oh my god, it's very tough, I don't know that, it's very embarrassing and I won't be able to learn that, then it won't happen. Because whatever we tell ourselves, our brain believes it. If you will say negative, it will believe on negative. If you will say positive, it will believe on positive. Also, don't judge yourself, don't feel judged by others. You know that you are on this journey which will take time and you're taking steps. And once you will push yourself to go beyond all of this, you will see a better version of yourself, and that matters. Not people's opinion, not this phase. Because when we aim for something big, these are the challenges that we can expect, and we have to go through them to reach that side of the thing. So, I would like to end with saying that good luck for your journey. Tell me in the comment section if you are going to implement this plan to improve your communications. And I promise to create more valuable videos like this in future, which can include prompts that you can use, maybe a live demo or more insights. So consider hitting the subscribe button and I will see you in upcoming videos. Till then, bye bye.